Good evening, guys. Welcome back boys and girls, with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle. In the edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 27th, 2024, we've already solved the 3-star puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku and a binary. It's time for the binary. Yes, boys and girls, number 9168. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Now double one, here no, there no. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. Salvatore die wil alleen werken, dus ik heb gewoon mijn OC werk en invoer van de verwerking op mijn ja. Nee, ik dacht omdat jij het erop zat, ik denk ja. Voordat ik dadelijk al nee, ik heb dat niet, maar ik heb in het begin wel gelopen, dat was 10 en 9, dus ja, dat is goed. Oké, hoi hoi. Let me continue. Sorry for the interruption. Well. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. I cannot place the 4th one here. Otherwise, we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Well, we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Then let me see. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes an O. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Well, without comparing, but with an interruption. Yes. Sorry, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.